You're crazy! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm videotaping. What would you like to say? Thank your sponsor. What are you gonna name them? They're circling.
That was awesome.
I've been singing this song for too long, just wishing we all would move on. Sick tired of doing what you want. You don't turn this all into seems a little watered down. Everybody wanna be a rap artist now, trying to get the platinum regardless how hard you play yourself to get paid. Ain't it a damn shame? Music today, fads the same, still you ain't got shit to say. Expect the kids to pay this expensive fee when they can get an MP3 off a friend's CD. Especially if it's less than 3 tracks alike. If it was worth spending money, then we actually might. So much crap on the mic, labels ain't acting right, making cash from the hype like the passion of Christ.
Just imagine the lights, camera action, the life, the car, the cash, the stars flashing they ice. Cock tees, R&B, pop queens, gassing you up, fashion